Question 10, again in two parts, A and B. So use your calculator to work out the value of 8.95 plus square root 7.84 divided by 2.03 times 1.49. Part A, write down all figures on your calculator display. The answer will go here for 2 marks. And part B, write down your answer to part A, correct to 3 significant figures. That's for 1 mark, and we'll get to that later. So first I'm going to do it on my calculator. You can do this in step-by-step format, or you can just key in 8.95 plus the square root button of 7.84 and press equals. SD button, you will get 11.75. If you do want to check your answer, you can actually just square root 7.84, press equals, SD, and you'll see you get 2.8 for that part. Now, if you take 2.8, which is square root of 7.84, and you add 8.95 SD, you'll get 11.75 right there. So you'll get the same answer. It's just putting it in as one calculation is a lot easier than doing it step by step. So second part, you're going to divide 11.75 by 2.03 times 1.49. So let's do 2.03 times 1.49 plus equals, you will get 3.0247. So that's the answer for 2.03 times 1.49. So I will divide 11.75, which was the answer to the first part, by 3.0247. Press equals. I'll get an answer of 3.8846827778. Now that answer there is basically all the digits that were on my calculator display here, and that's what the question asks for. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. So I've done that, so I'll get 2 marks. Now part B, write down your answer to part A here, correct to 3 significant figures. So the first significant figure is the 3. The second significant figure is the 8, one after the decimal place, and the third significant figure is the second 8 after the decimal place, because that's at 2 decimal places. So first significant figure, second and third. Draw a little line, look at number to the right of the third significant figure, which is 8. Does that fall around that 8 up 1? No, it doesn't, because it don't fit the rule. 5 or bigger, round it up 1. 4 or smaller, leave it the same. So we leave that 8 the same. So the answer down here will be 3.88. That gives you the extra mark, 3 marks in total.